Hello and welcome back. In this video we will just calculate the age from date of birth. Okay, it will be always up to date by using a function. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to calculate the age. So to calculate the age, first of all we will just use equal to, we will use a function. Okay, DatedIF. Okay, DatedIF, we will use this function, open it, and inside this function now we will specify this date. Okay, first of all date of birth. After specifying that comma, then we will just specify the today date. Okay, so to specify the date of today, so for that we will use today function. Close it. After that we will just extract the year from this. Okay, the year we will find just the age by year. So for that I will write y. Okay, sorry, so after today, so here I will just write the quotation, and inside quotation I will write, cancel it, sorry, inside it I will write the y. Okay, it means year, then close the parenthesis. Okay, and press enter. So after pressing the enter, so this is the age. Okay, now just copy it in other cells also. So it has calculated the age for us. Okay, so this is the age that we have calculated. It will update, it will be update automatically, for example whenever the time is passing. So through these functions today it will just be up to date. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.